Welcome back to Tech Kutt, where we bring you the hottest Amazon deals and gadgets you can't resist. Today, we're diving into the world of air fryers, the ultimate kitchen upgrade for healthy, crispy, and fast cooking. We've got the 5 best air fryers of 2024, and trust me, these picks are game changers. Ready to cook up a storm? Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab these amazing deals. Let's get sizzling. Say goodbye to oily mess and hello to crisp perfection with the Gelm Air Fryer. This 6.3-quart powerhouse boasts 8 one-touch cooking presets, letting you whip up steak, chicken, and even desserts in no time. Its 360 rapid air circulation ensures your food is crispy outside and tender inside, using up to 85% less oil. And the best part? The shake reminder and preheat function make cooking a breeze. Perfect for families, this sleek black model is dishwasher safe, making cleanup just as easy as cooking. With a Black Friday deal of $68.79, this air fryer is an unmissable steal. Want to monitor your meals as they cook? The Instant Vortex Plus 40 has you covered with its clear cook windows and internal light. This 8-quart air fryer features dual baskets, so you can cook 2 dishes at once with SyncCook and SenseFinish technology. From crispy wings to garlicky potatoes, its Even Crisp tech guarantees golden perfection every time. With customizable smart programs and a wide temperature range, the possibilities are endless. And guess what? It's priced at just $129.99 for Black Friday, down from $219.99. A must-have for gourmet cooks. If speed and capacity are what you need, the Dome Air Fryer is your dream appliance. Voted Best Large Capacity Air Fryer of 2024, it cooks food 30% faster than traditional models. Imagine 32 chicken wings ready in just 14 minutes. It also features a self-cleaning mode, making it hassle-free for everyday use. With its non-stick ceramic coating and whisper-quiet operation, it's perfect for family meals and parties. At a discounted price of $329.99, this high-tech marvel is worth every penny. Big family? No problem. The 11QT XL Air Fryer is designed to handle hearty portions with ease. Its flexible basket design lets you cook large meals in its full capacity or divide it for dual cooking with separate settings. From roasting to dehydrating, this air fryer does it all, making it a versatile kitchen must-have. Dishwasher-safe components ensure cleanup is quick and effortless. With a Black Friday deal of $109.99, it's time to elevate your cooking game. For those seeking compact versatility, the Ultrian Digital Air Fryer delivers big results. With its modern LED touchscreen, it's easy to adjust time and temperature for perfect results every time. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for small families or singles who love to experiment with recipes. Its sleek design and non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket make it both practical and stylish. At $79.99, this air fryer proves that great things come in small packages. And there you have it, the top 5 air fryers of 2024 that redefine healthy cooking. Whether you're feeding a crowd or just whipping up a quick snack, these air fryers have something for everyone. Don't miss out on these Black Friday deals. Your kitchen deserves the upgrade. Hit that like button, subscribe to Tech Kutt, and let us know in the comments which air fryer caught your eye.